An unsecured business cash advance has a number of advantages, such as 1. Quick and simple access to capital for businesses that want or need money right away. 2. Flexibility. Unsecured business cash advances can be utilized for a range of things, such as buying inventory, growing your business, paying for unforeseen costs, or even for personal use. 3. No collateral is needed. Since business cash advances don't need to be secured, they are available to businesses without assets to pledge. There is no lien on bank account, UCC filings, or personal liability for these cash advances. 4. The underwriting department determines the best possible repayment option that does not stress the business. Unsecured business cash advances can be paid back as a percentage of daily credit card sales or agreed upon daily, weekly, or even monthly business bank account debit. 5. Credit history is not a big deal. Unsecured business cash advances are a fantastic choice for businesses that struggle to secure traditional types of financing because of poor or no credit history. To learn more or get the one-page application, go to www.bizmoola.com and contact me directly.